We reorganized everything, got it all set up how the projectors and the whiteboards and everything. Walked in, I actually got a little bit late the second day by 2 minutes, but they gave me a hard time about that. We got in, got situated, and just started rolling. So there's a lesson there. Take the time that you need to set things up right from the start. How is it going, ladies and gentlemen? I want to welcome you back to the Way of the Wolf in Williston, North Dakota. It is freezing like a... Okay, so I'm going to do my best to actually record something that's valuable and meaningful while I'm freezing my ass off out here. Found this tunnel, this bridge, while I was driving, got some recommendations from a friend, and just had to come out here and check it out. Now, I've been out here for the past few days for a Leadership Edge workshop. It was our first 2-day event that we had. We talked about accountability and delegation and operational excellence, which was actually a lot more fun than I was thinking it was going to be. That is such a detailed and nuanced topic that I wasn't really sure how it was all going to unfold. But when we talk about operational excellence and building and scaling businesses, everyone that was in the group, we had a lot of entrepreneurs, business owners, leaders, they just ate it up because it's all about making your business and your team better. So as I think through and reflect on the workshop, there were so many lessons that I actually took away. The first day, we didn't have quite enough time to get the table and the room set up how I really wanted it to, so I couldn't really hit my stride. We did a pretty good job, got some decent engagement, but at the end of the day, I was kind of beating myself up. I was struggling a little bit. And sat down with my team, all of us that were involved in setting it up, and we were just reflecting, thinking, what could we do different? What could we do better? Well, one thing that I've recognized is when we have our room and the table set up in a certain way, it promotes a lot more engagement with everybody in the room. So that afternoon, we reorganized everything, got it all set up how the projectors and the whiteboards and everything. Walked in, I actually got a little bit late the second day by 2 minutes, but they gave me a hard time about that. We got in, got situated, and just started rolling. So there's a lesson there. Take the time that you need to set things up right from the start. Yeah, you got to get there a little bit early, but make sure that the environment that you're situated in and how you have everything set up flows best for you and how you like to operate. But there's a more important lesson that I've learned from this trip. There were a number of people that helped us set this event up and make it happen. They went above and beyond. I cannot begin to express how much I appreciate everybody and all of the hard work that they put into it. They absolutely crushed it. We could not have made this event happen without all of them. And so that's the lesson that I want to share with all of you. If you have the ability to step up and help somebody else out, do it. All it takes is a little bit of extra effort, and it can change somebody's life. It can change a lot of people's lives. We all have the capacity to give that extra little bit, and when you do, you can change the world. That's what I want to leave you with today. I'm probably going to go find a few more spots to record here in the area because it is just so freaking beautiful out here. Aside from being cold, it is stunning. I didn't really know what to expect. I've always heard there's nothing out there but flatlands, but I don't know. It's pretty damn beautiful to me.